Okay, this part of the circuit that is operated is known as the control circuit, in which the smaller amount of current is going to flow. And this circuit, which is going to turn on a larger or a bigger circuit, is going to be known as the load circuit, in which a large amount of current is going to flow through it. All right, here we are having the working of relay. In fact, this is an example of a magnetic relay. Let us look over here, first of all, the circuit. Okay, now here we are having the first circuit. This is the first circuit, which is going to carry a small amount of, in this circuit, a small amount of current is going to flow through this circuit. It's containing this part is going to be an electromagnet. So when you switch on this current, the small amount of current is there. When this current is switched on, this part which is there is an electromagnet. It's going to get magnetized. Once it gets magnetized, here there is a magnetic material that is there. This magnetic material, what's going to happen, it is going to get attracted over here. Once this gets attracted over here, you can see this part of the circuit will get completed. So here a small amount of current that is made to flow through this circuit is going to control a larger amount of current which is going to flow through this particular circuit. Okay. And once you switch off this part of the circuit, you can see over here, then this electromagnet which is there is going to lose its magnetic property. And because of the action of the spring which is present over here, what's going to happen is that this will get demagnetized. The electromagnet which is there, this is the electromagnet which gets demagnetized. The magnetic material which is there no longer will be able to attract. The spring part which is there, it's going to pull up over here, and this circuit will be stopped and no current will be flowing through a bigger or a larger circuit. This is how a magnetic relay works.